Hey guys, so a couple months back I bought the Meticore supplement and I decided to share my experience in this video. And also to warn you guys not to make the same mistake that I made when I was trying to purchase the Meticore supplement. I'll explain the situation. I put the real website link in the description below so you can go check it out if you decided to try it. I'm 100% sure it is the real website where you can order and get the Meticore supplement, which is where I ordered mine and got everything safely delivered to my door. From my experience, there are no major discounts or major bonuses apart from the official offers that the Meticore supplement website provides. So when you go to the link below to the official website, you can check out the deals that they have now. Recently, as for my personal experience, it started with my friend after I noticed some big changes in her body. I started asking her what is the reason, as I had the problem with overweight as well, but she kept the secret. Only after a few days, she revealed that it was because of Meticore supplement and that she was too shy to tell that she was doing nothing. Eating same food, no extra exercises, no diets, just one pill a day to get these results. She saw how hard other people tried to get the same results and wanted others to think that she's putting efforts as well. But she is just as lazy as I am. Sorry for telling this, Sarah, but it's true. So I went online, I saw a lot of reviews telling the same story, and I decided to try it. So after I searched, I saw this amazing limited time deal. I clicked it, put my payment details, and got charged $200 for 3 times. It was hard to admit that I was scammed for $600, but I put myself together and still wanted to try this Meticore supplement. I asked my friend for the link, ordered, and received successfully. This is the link of the official website I'm sharing with you guys as well in the description. So I bought 3 bottles package. I got advice from a friend as 1 bottle is not enough to see significant results. And they sometimes run out of stock, so I advise to do the same and have some reserve. So about my results, I've just started my last bottle and within 9 weeks of using Meticore supplement, I've lost about 25 pounds. You can see my before and after pictures on the screen. So my before picture was me at about 145 pounds, while my after picture was me at about 120 pounds. So I can tell that the supplement actually worked for me. Well, now you know why I'm so happy to give a review on this product. So now let me walk you through some pros and cons I noticed while using Meticore supplement. So let's start with pros. So one of the first things I noticed when I started taking Meticore is that my overall mood changed and I was feeling strong, more energized, and was having a really good night's sleep. After about 5-6 weeks of use, I started losing some weight. And the best thing is that I was still eating what I wanted and didn't need to be involved in any strenuous exercises or gym workouts to start losing weight. This is because Meticore boosts body metabolism and you lose weight without big efforts. Most importantly, improved body metabolism is the key of the permanent weight loss results. So not like other diet pills, if you stop using Meticore, you'll not gaining your weight back. Another thing I want to mention is that all Meticore ingredients are 100% natural. This means there are no side effects. What also makes it safe to use is the fact that Meticore supplement is FDA approved. Now let's talk about the cons. I noticed the fact that there are a lot of fake websites that are trying to scam people of their money. So you need to be careful of those promising too much discount, like I said earlier. So please, if you decided to try it out, use only the official website. I left the link in the description below. Another bad thing you may not like about the supplement is that the results vary. So my friend started seeing results only after about 9 weeks, while based on other reviews, some can start seeing results earlier, like from 4 weeks. So the supplement actually works, but I would warn you not to expect fast results. because it took me about 6 weeks of consistent intake as prescribed to actually start noticing visible results. So you have to be patient with yourself in the supplement. And the last con is that they sometimes run out of stock. Personally, I didn't face that problem, but as my friend told me, she wanted to reorder, but it wasn't available for a few days. But luckily, shipping was fast and she was able to continue taking Meticore without a break. So you can now decide if you want to use this supplement yourself, but I strongly suggest if you are really struggling with losing weight and you're not into changing your lifestyle drastically, check the official websites. Sometimes they run good discounts, and if they have stock available, order a few bottles to try it. And I almost forgot to mention the most important thing, that you can try it risk-free as Meticore has 60 days money-back guarantee. So basically you can order, try it for 2 months, and if you're not seeing results, just get your money back. Just please remember that when you decide to buy this weight loss supplement, make sure you're using the link in the description to make sure you're safe. Money like I did. Yes, Great, so that's it for my review of the Meticore supplement. Please make sure you like and share this video to also help others to be safe, and comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!